fi just drive off and leave her a long time, you know. Him wait until him get upset, then him spit on the little girl. Now, what's the wickedest thing what happen now? She video him, catch him face, it got viral, and guess what? Him get locked up. Now them charge him gonna lose him license just because of ignorance. Ignorance is a thing we mash up enough with people. Though, may I tell you no. The world I run away right now, man. The world I run away right now because trust me, him could have gone and leave the little girl because of $50 this. Him could have gone. Remember, say fear just raised. And I like say, it not just raised. It just raised like 1 day ago it raised. And this is how you come out strong and start it. And look, you end up at jail. Enough time this happening, you know. That's why when we are going to school, them always say, servants are turn it away rat. I don't know if them still teach them things in a school. I don't know if them still talk them things in a church. I don't know. Somebody tell me if them things they still talk. Remember, say from what you notice, say, the pity them come like say, I go them to go to school for muggle. Not all of them, you know. Some of them. Because enough youth really want to go to school for learn, really and truly, you know. Enough youth want to go to school for learn. And you don't know, say, when we are sending youth to school, we want to send out to youth clean and bush. Bam, a big boy mash up a little youth because him step on him shoes. Bam, nurse gone down to school, gone work. Student over man, them end up beat her. Shame now because she gone down the guy in an argument. Remember, say, all of this could have angled in a different way. All of this could have angled in a different way. Too much ignorance here go on in our earth. That's why I'm afraid of people nowadays. Me come on from this come talk, you know. But you don't have to see me in a town hall. You don't have to see me in another space attack. Because people so ignorant that's them not even think. Over land. I see a news where a woman come from Canada to come celebrate her anniversary, her first year anniversary with her husband. She and her husband in an argument in liquor. Remember, you know, nice pretty woman come from Canada, you know. Nice pretty woman, the woman pretty, look good, and two toes. She dead and joke. Wicked show there. Good afternoon. Him gonna press the woman. Joke. I remember say this is not just a little regular woman, this is him wife. Him Canadian wife. Down a country, down a St. Elizabeth again, down a one place, one woman a fear policeman na argument. She take him gun and give him them charge chief. Zine. Remember, you know, husband and wife, this, you know, fear husband and police, and she take. She alone know where go on with she and him, you know. Everything could have angle different. Everything could have angle different. Come like say the people. No one with the people. Yo, where the people are upon this way? Remember, love there. Or love somebody there. Because they love something here. People are put it up on the internet and boy, if I love Richie one more time, that is a figure of speech. Really and truly, I don't know. It's like a very rare now. People afraid to show you all them for sure. Empathy. That word there, when you empathy people, it's like no, everybody does say yo, want money can't done. This not look good. Want to the part there. Want to calm down. Do me I beg you, calm down. Remember Jamaica used to be a loving place, you know, man. Jamaica used to be a loving place when I tell you, say, yo, and it's still there, you know, but it's so rare, because look at love me have left and I can't give everybody, you know, because them don't want it. Because I have the whole heap of love and I say I give it to you and them not take it. Come like a 8. Quickest way to get to somebody right now, just come on social media, come bash them. Trishan, what's up? It wicked boy, yeah. I'm not telling a lie. It wicked boy, yeah. It wicked, boy. Yeah. I'm realizing it's a worldwide thing. Remember say one time gone them used to tell us say, oh, the black man not like the white man and the white man not like the black man. But when you go some man look on it, man. Go some man look on it. You don't really see what go on. When you go some man look on it, they pick them ignorant towards them one another. Because ever since everybody gets social media, it starts showing you what people really think. Ever since we get social media, you know, see the world change. Remember saying, you know, violence always there in Jamaica, violence always there in the world. But you see, from we get past 2000, from we get past 2015, you see, from 2015 come up, the world get more violent. It get more violent. Me not tell a lie. It get more violent. It get more violent. Girl just want kill girl. Man just want kill. Yo, I don't know what go on them last days and it's very scary. That's why I'm afraid more time with even deal with people. Because you see all the word good morning. I see somebody put up, I see a post a while ago say, don't call and expect no good customer service. Don't call and expect no good morning. Just get straight to the point. So if you have a business and you put up something like that and me see that, me would I really want to come buy something from you? That's the next thing what we need to highlight. Some of you local business owners, I think gonna get way ahead of yourself. Cause when a business jump off and when I go on now, when I start shit on people and make it look like say I know the same people. And when I make it look like say when I was self-made and when I come from way up and when I never did have to go through nothing. When I stop it. And this is for the local business owners, especially the online ones. When I stop. Because we don't see the boss that own KFC. We have never seen the boss that own KFC. All we see is who get manager of the month, employee of the month. That's all we see when we go up on the wall. Right? And when we go in a KFC, are the same people them like we are cuss. We know that sometimes some of the girls them have some thinking attitude. We don't know if them hungry, we don't know what go on with them. We don't know if a man problem, we don't know. We know that them not deal with the good sometimes, but want to the one them will deal with the good. The amount of excitement we create over a piece of chicken and cuss the girl we are give with the chicken. So if we have a cuss her, better we just leave the chicken and nobody buy from she. Better we go buy jerk chicken then. It's better we go buy jerk chicken because it's easy for you not bother buy more than India cuss, you know. It's easy for you don't bother buy more than India cuss. See? And when me I look around enough of them business owners have got to work. When they online and other people comment, for now promote on the business, on now follow up, mix up and pass and cast and all of them something there. And then when it reach a phone or foot, you don't want privacy. And I talk about people that stop watching the business. You never remember that? See Jay Eat and Travel say, you attack, you know, the amount of them get sent and when them get answer, it's like you want them a quarrel. Not a real thing, man. No, for these business owners where I say it's all about my business and I'm promoting my business. When you in a comment and when I talk about when I like that girl there and that girl there no friend, that is not business like. You have never seen the man that one quotes argue. Me never see two business company war yet. Me never see it. Me never see it. I've never seen it. It's always the small business people them ready for tear down and name them one another and bash them one another business. Always. And anyway, me see you, and this a go happen and that a go happen. Me not tell a lie. Me not like it. Me I see more hate and bagger more than love right now. Me nah, it's like when you go somewhere and see something, the first thing you say, and kiss your teeth. You can't even get to say, this nice, see? Oh my God. This is so nice. We not get that chance to say this is so nice, this is so heartwarming. Oh my God, I felt this to the core. All we see a beer violence. All we see a beer people like we self. Come like when now look and see what going on in the earth, you know, people. Remember when come like say when you see it's a worldwide thing. When you're there in England, the English boy, they must stab up people and a chop up people in England. When you look the boy, the gang, them are going in America. Are the same thing are going in Jamaica, the same thing, family a fight, family over land. When you see it on the news, not for the hitman work them we are going. Family come from foreign and two they hear say family, them are going to put out their family member there and them are going to put out. I pay them something they are going, you know. Because the head of the house. What we are doing, man, not no wrong if you don't have no friend. But we still have to associate yourself with people. Not no wrong if you don't have a friend. We still have to deal with people. But me not understand how come. Like me go say, mama look pan shade room and say, where boy name blue face or where one name, red face or purple face. The boy will bring the girl name Christian Rock. And then him have one other pitney name, another woman name Alexis or where one name. Every minute him and him mother, the man tell him mother say, she not get no good ring. Man tell him mother, I say I joke this. I say the man I tell him mother say she. Remember my woman, I will better than yours. I say I joke this. Yeah. That man I cuss him mother and him mother dey pan line I cuss him. Him mother style him a style him mother. I say what this man? And that go on everywhere. You can imagine your son tell us say your whole not give a good ring. Show me your whole gear. Show me your whole gear. The man our son, you know. I tell her to show her where our whole gear. Show what this. That generation and a boy at 20 year old. Him at 20 year old. Real thing you talk, man. The Bible reveal itself. It's true, man. The Bible reveal itself, man. The Bible reveal itself. People, remember say, nowadays, DJ Lava, the blue face a damage goes along with the woman them him take up. Boy, it's rough. But again, just look on the difference. In Jamaica, a man and his mother cuss, you hear say him disrespectful. In a foreign, a man and his mother cuss, them get show up on internet. Zeus give them show. A man and him woman now live good, them turn it in a show for people start watch. Give them our money for pay for the toxicness. Zin? And I see a next girl make a post and say, it's okay for things not go on for you. And I have to agree. If not now go on for you, it not go on for you. You're not for fake it. Now is not the time for you fake it. We see back the realness them. We see too much fake now on the internet. You know why? We see so much fake? Because remember them give you a thing where we can enhance with picture. We can make ourselves look slim. We can make ourselves look thick. We can put on ourselves and make it look like put on makeup all on ourselves. We have so much things to do. So it's hard right now to be real. The easiest thing right now is to be fake. Bare fakeness a go on. All girl a go on like say them young. And no member say them are 50 at now. Them a go on like say them were in a competition with a 22-year-old where she just start come out and how what if a thing change, you know? When last when the year selector said the good as girl them walk out, you know long me no hear that because the girl them stand up in the dance now. See them here? Girl them stand up in the dance with one fan on them face. I fan them face. The girl them now go out, they go run out again. You know realize all of the dancer girl them stop dance and turn dolly. Eh? You know realize that say everything serious. I just the man dancer them now still a run out and everybody a drift. You know see no girl now have no dance again. Annie, hold tight. You look upon it, you remember one time when you used to cuss Daima and I cuss the rest of the girl and talk about all them do a show themselves on ground. All them do a this and all this and that and that. No, you're not see that again. No, you're not seeing that anymore. Cause the girl them stop dance now and stand up just like the man them. And a few man run out and a drift. And which badness in a gunman style and everybody stays to do that. The girl not dance again and bubble pan the man. Sir Conqueror, not a mercy. Trouble, big up yourself. Eh? You don't realize that how we are on the ground. You see a girl a bubble and a wine and a go on. Rebel still a dance. Then no one woman that. No one dancer that. Where rest of them there? You know, say a dolly there to the whole of girl them name. And them have the fan. That fan there where them have upon them face up. Eh? You know, say that fan there because them no want to wait them to them makeup. So much money for put on makeup for one. Truth me attack. You don't look and see it, man. You don't look and see it. Party thing change. Living change. Life change. Everything change. Everything change. Jazzy Sky ever say the people them in a bathroom all night and I say the selector them not playing not like them not have no bathroom at them yard. Remember you know that's another thing. You go to the party and I say the selector not playing not. When you yourself not done not now move you because you know that you got the party for. You know got the party for enjoy yourself. You know got the party for enjoy yourself, you know. So remember me the selector will represent for the woman them. And if me then I dance and me I play a girl song, I hear a girl say, DJ selector, what that you play? And when you go play, panta tan tan tear, the lanta tan 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 tear. I be a selector play. When I come play ball, I not go like girl, me no love you but you put to you. When I play that for me, I don't want to hear no Dexter. More hear pampa dan tan tear, ta tan ta lan tan ta lan tan tear. And that more hear. And two you go say I play them say be full one at time. Sinful one at a time. One at a time you blood. Oh, wanna no come suck me. Wanna not enjoy yourself, wanna no go on a party. I wanna know no cost selector. Selector me I tell you know, stop go down, go chat to the selector and say selector now play good. Cause when una play, una do the same thing and the people them now bumble rascal listen. Una do the same thing. The whole of we got through it. The whole of we got through it. All of every selector got through it. You play the best song them and I wonder how the crowd now move. The girl them now want them no want hear that. Them want hear be a gun song. Star Cashley, you see, as a bad girl, wicked and watty, as a bad girl, them a deal it. One time them hear, anything when me want, me buy that. Now I can borrow girl clothes. One time you used to see some girl run out, 3 girl run out. Level toss that girl in I dance. Anything when me want, me buy that. Now I can borrow girl clothes and 3 girl run out. Yeah, I want never 3 girl no borrow girl clothes. Why things that the soca party them nicer? Why things that the soca party them can be a whining song, you whine till you're tired. Why things that the whole man them were rough and tough start that soca party? Cause them now get to whine pan no girl in a regular dance them. Pay a the dolly them now move. Be a dolly stand up. Pay a dolly stand up. And the selector them, all them do, enough of them eat them one another and a show what they come talk about who a fight them out and who a fight. Enough of them a batty man too. Cause first thing when you start, go a dance, go war over money pull up. You remember say, Uno are the leader. Remember the man we talk on the mic are the leader, you know. Anytime you stop playing, we have the microphone in him hand and you control the dance. The man we have the mic in him hand control that. You control the dance. See me? Be a selector ass dance and no remember you know. Money pull up, we can't stop money pull up because you will get around and around the after some man come throw some money. You understand? You will get around a man some throw some money. You can't escape that. But don't forget say the party is not about you. You is to make sure so the people them alright. And if you cuss the girl them when them are cussing you back, when them are done we you know. Remember when them are done we you will say we can remember me a selector too. We. I see a couple selector join on for my life. I tell you this from now. Me and none of you no problem. Me and all of you good. We might not talk every day, but me and all of you good. Stand up pan on a price. Stop beg promoter for put on a pan party. Cause them a call back on the name. No promoter don't hold loyalty for a selector. No promoter holds loyalty for a selector. Him tell him next selector friend. Him tell him next promoter friend send give you $5 or $10 or $20. So when you are telling friends say you want $50, he must say, oh, you charge Jazzy $5. Stand up on the price. Remember this. A bottle of Hennessy in our party is $20,000. A bottle of Hennessy is $20,000. A cranberry, a $1,000. A Red Bull is $1,000. If you go in enough for the party them, 15 bills pre-sold or 2.5 at the gate. You can't continue going a party for just play and go home to get 2 money pull up. Then if you get the money pull up, what stand up on the price. Start bow out and suck up.